Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use Anydesk for beginners. So let's get started. So here we are in Google search, and as you can see I have Google search Anydesk and this is the result. So here is the official website of Anydesk, and if you don't know what Anydesk is a remote desktop application distributed by Anydesk Software GmbH. The proprietary software program provides platform-independent remote access to personal computers and other devices running the host application. It offers remote control, file transfer, and VPN functionality. So Anydesk is basically a remote control app that lets you control other devices as long as you have the permission to control them in the Anydesk app. So what you have to do is that you install your Anydesk app in your computer and Anydesk app installed in the device that you want to control. And as long as you have that, then you can freely control that device. So that's basically what Anydesk is, and Anydesk is commonly used by millions of IT professionals worldwide to remotely connect to their clients' devices to help them with technical issues. So now that we are clear with that, let's go to the website of Anydesk right here. So here what we want to do is go click on download now, and it would automatically start downloading right here. So if you're not using Windows, then you could use other OS right here that is being listed right there. So if you're using Android, you can choose that, Linux, or even Raspberry, Chrome OS, iOS, Mac OS, any that you like. So once you have downloaded it, let's now open the file or run the application right here. Let's open it, and as you can see, here it is. It appears that my address is 791.773 and so on. This is the code or the address that I would need to send someone if I were to want them to control my PC using Anydesk. This is the code that you would need. But in this application, I would just be using my phone as an example. Let's say I'd be controlling my phone from this computer. So what I want to do is go to my phone in Anydesk right there and simply put the address right here in the remote access. in the remote address right here. So once you have entered it right here, 266, here it is. I have already entered it before, so that's why it pops up right there. 125. So this is basically it right there. So you just need to install it in your phone right there, and once you have opened the app in the phone, then it would automatically show the address, and that is what you need to enter here in the desktop app. And as you can see, once I have entered it, it's asking for permission from firewall to allow access and something. So I'm just gonna allow and access it so that we could proceed. And you just want to accept the invitation or the request in your device, in your other device that you are controlling, and after it has been accepted, it will be, their screen will be appearing here and you can control that device already. So that's basically it. So that's how you can control it. And with this, I cannot click on anything because as you can see, I don't have any license yet. I don't have any subscriptions right there. I haven't bought it, and I didn't even avail the free one. So this is just a demonstration on how you can do it, because from here on, all you need to do is just simply control it, and it depends on how you want to do it. So now I'm gonna showing you the other features of Anydesk right here. So let's proceed here, and as you can see, these are the settings and session recordings. You could see it here if you want to record your sessions when you are controlling other devices, so that you could remember, or maybe you want it so that it would be proof that you didn't do anything bad to that client's device or something like that. And here, as you can see here in the actions right here, you could also take a screenshot, or you could also restart a device that you are controlling right here, and you could also switch sides right there. And as you can see, they are grayed out because I don't have any subscription. And you also have a lot of features right here, the quality, the view mode right there. You could set it to speed, but it would reduce the quality, but still it would give you a smoother experience if you want that. And view mode to original, shrink or stretch, it depends on you. And now let's go to here in the keyboard settings. This is also very helpful if you want to work more efficiently right there. So this is for the recording, but I don't have that because again I don't have a subscription or a license. So let's go to the license part. We want to click here on start trial right here. So if you're first logged in into your Anydesk account, you will be prompted here. So if you want to start your business free trial, then you could proceed here, enter your details right there, and you would be able to request a trial from them. But I'm not going to do that right now because this is just a tutorial. So let's go back to the app right here. So what we want to do now is basically go here, click this profile right here, and we want to go here in my Anydesk right there, and we will be prompted here in a browser right here, and we will be prompted in the Anydesk dashboard. And from here what we want to do is simply explore these options or features right here. And this is the address book. This is where you put all the addresses that the device you are controlling right here. So you could simply create an entry right here, and you could put a name and the address of that device right here so that you could control it, and some description that you might want to remember, or some tags. If you're working on a team, then you could do that. And for the clients right here, this is where your clients appears, the names and etc. And for the sessions right here, if you have any sessions with your clients that you have controlled, then it would appear here, everything right here, so that you could track it right there. Or if you are just an individual and just using it for personal use, then you could just see all your sessions right here, because Anydesk is not just for teams, so you can also use it for just yourself. And here in the license, as you can see, this is where you can buy Anydesk if you want to. Here, let's go click here right there so that we can see the plans and everything that we need to pay. Here in the solo license, as you can see, it is one licensed user and some other features. And here in the standard and advanced. So if we're gonna go on standard license, it's more expensive here. It's just take note that this is per year, this is not a month. If you're shocked by how expensive it is per month, this is not a month, this is a year. It's said why right here. So if you want a solo license, which means that you will be only using it for yourself, you don't have any other team right there. So if you have a team, then you could go for the other license right here, depending on the scale of your team, if it is big or just small, like 20. And this is basically the plans here in Anydesk that you could use. So you could really use this even if you're just an entrepreneur that you want to go to improve your workflow, that you don't have to go from your office to control your desk from there. If you have anything to do, then you could really use this Anydesk app. So enough of that. And now what we're gonna do is go here into the application again, and as you can see, it says right here it's locked because my phone is turned off. And now what we want to do is another feature that I forgot to mention is this one. If you want to add a device, you can control up to more than one device in a session. Like here, you want to add one right here, click it right here, add a new session, then you could just enter a remote address again and again. Then you could basically do that as long as you have the subscription and everything else. So now that we're done right here, we want to close it right here, close. And after that, this is the license information right here that you can see about your account and your Anydesk. So that's basically it on how you can use Anydesk for beginners. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.